Well, it's early in the morning here, Coolalingga, and it's pack up day. And it's going to be a long one, I guess. We've been here so long. It's the longest we've sort of been in one spot, considering the lockdown and everything. But yep, pack up day. We're out of here. We're heading to Litchfield National Park for a couple of days, and then we'll be coming back here, touch wood, to sort of see a bit more of Darwin when everything's sort of open. Anyway, I guess we'll start playing this long game of packing up, which is going to be fun. That's us. We're all done, we're all packed up, all showered up, and we're getting out of here. Heading to Litchfield National Park, which should be a good one. Should be back to normal videos, hopefully. Good. But anyway, let's get out of here.
Let's go.
Hit the road. First stop in Litchfield National Park is Bamboo Creek Tin Mine, which is about 1 kilometre off the main road, and saying 600 metre return walk. But everything's looking good, everything's going good on the car. Those tyres there, doing all right. I'm pretty happy with that. Just got to retighten them when we get to camp tonight, which I think is going to be the next stop. Anyway, let's check out this little Bamboo Creek Tin Mine. Don't really know what to expect here. Socia's run off, she's pretty excited. Well, here we are, we're at the tin mine, I guess, and at the start there's a little sort of map, and you do a little loop, I guess. 20-minute loop, 330 metres, grade 2, easy. So I guess we'll do that. And apparently this place was abandoned in the mid-1950s, which is, don't know what to think of that. Everything here was made apparently of local sort of stuff they found. It's another interesting mine, I guess, like Whitnum, yeah, where it was sort of plagued with, I don't know, the problems that happened in the future with tin, like asbestos, I guess. But interesting to see, just the amount of work that got put in here and was done here, I guess. Would have been interesting to see back in the day, people doing it, going. So it's pretty interesting seeing that little car in there all smashed up. It's no sort of plates or anything on it to see what it is, but it did have a Borg Warner gearbox in it, which is, I don't know, didn't really get any information off that. But it's pretty cool to see a little dingo or a dog's footprint on the back sort of tray of it. It's pretty cool. But anyway, we're heading off out of here and moving on to the next one. Nothing much in here, no toilets or anything. There's a little bench, a little fire pit. But I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to camp in here. I'm not too sure. I haven't seen anything saying it. But we're moving on. So let's get out of here and get to the next spot. This looks like us. Site 31 in Wangi Falls, I think it's called. Wangi, I don't know. Wangi, I'm pretty sure it is. Wangi Falls Campground. Site 31, $6.60 per person per night. Pretty cheap, pretty good. There's toilets here. I think there's showers, pretty sure there's showers. Nice little barbecues as well. Like the same barbecues that we had at Berry Springs. So that's pretty good. We'll try and use all their gas instead of ours. But this is our spot. Nice big open area. Probably have to straighten that up a bit. I don't know, see where we can get it. And then set up. It shouldn't take too long. I'm pretty stoked with this. We got a spot. We weren't really sure if we were going to get a spot because apparently it fills up pretty quick here. But let's get set up. Oh, this is it. This is our little camp. Wangi Falls. Good little spot actually. And the price is $10 a night per person now. They've put the price up. Bit of a bugger. So we've got the 2 nights here. Yeah, gonna have some lunch and then walk over to the falls, check it out. You can't swim in there, it's a bit of a bugger, but we'll check it out and then I guess come back, jump in the car. So she's got another little spot we'll head off to have a swim. So we're headed to the falls, 300-metre walk from the campsite, which is pretty cool. And just walking straight through the campsite, there's a big open area in the middle, showers, hot water, big fire pit, a community fire pit, and a couple of more barbecues as well. So it's a pretty good little camp spot for $10. That last little spot, it's a bit busy for us, but we've sort of followed it down where no one else is going. Treetop deck, 300 metres with stairs. So we're going to check that out. But how's this? It's just turned into like a rainforest. It's really cool. Really cool. So it turns out that walk, it is a good walk, really good walk, but it just literally goes to a little lookout overlooking tops of the trees really. Back in the day it might have been a really good lookout for the river and the waterfall, but everything's a bit overgrown there. But we're not going to do the full walk, the full loop, because we just didn't come prepared here, so we're heading back down. Well, we got back here and jumped in the car now, and we're going to have a swim at, I don't know where we're going. Cascades, which is back along the way we came. North. So we'll get out there. I don't know if it's a bit of a walk or not. Is it?
There's 2 parts, so it's whether you want to go swimming or not, basically.
Yeah. Try and have a quick swim there. We've got the noodles now, so there shouldn't be any reason why we don't go for a swim. But let's get over there. So we're at Cascades, which is a bit of a walk, 1.3 k's or something, which I doubt that's return. Yeah, 3.3, 3.6 return. 2.6 and 3.3. Well, we think they're both open for swimming. We're just going to roll with that, but I guess we're going to do the whole walk. Maybe. So we've decided we're going lower Cascades. So I just read somewhere on Wikicamps that if you want to go to the upper Cascades, you just walk up the falls, I guess, up the rocks. So we'll see how we go. But lower Cascades is open, so we can go for a swim there. Well, so far it's been a pretty easy little walk. I think it was 700 meters of just nice, easy, flat ground, and then it does turn to big, rocky, lumpy area. But we'll get to that when we get to it, I guess. But beautiful little pool here. Looks like we've hit some sort of rocks, which is going to be fun. Which one? So this is Curtain Falls, I guess, and it's the top of the lower section, which we're going to jump in there. So it looks bloody nice, like a little spa as well. We just had to climb up those little rocks there, the waterfall, and there's more arrows up there, so I'm guessing that takes you to the upper section. I don't know if we'll get to. See how we go after we have a swim here. Is it cold? Yes, it's freezing cold. Jump, jump, jump. Freezing cold. I think we're going to go out there and sit under those little waterfalls there. Get a nice little spa happening. So I've come for a walk. I've left Soch down there. He's way down there. But just to check out the upper Cascades. And I'm guessing that's why they call it Cascade Falls. Really cool how it just drops down like that, cascades down. This would be incredible to see when it's fully running across there, fully cascading the whole way down. Which doesn't look like it happens that often, but it'd be something else to see that. So I'm pretty sure this is the top. This is as far as you can go at the upper falls here. And I mean, what a spot. It's just incredible. A couple more swimming holes just in there, full of sand as well, which is pretty cool. And another stream coming in from the side here. Like I'm saying, this would be incredible to see in full swing. Huge amounts of water cascading through here. But I better go find Soch. She'll be worrying. Been gone for a while. So we'll get back down that hill there. And I could probably jump on a little rubber ring. That'd be an idea. A bit dangerous, but be pretty fun. Just another thing as well. Looks like there's been a bushfire here not that long ago. And it's sort of been stopped as well by the river, which is really cool to see. Nature doing its thing to put the fire out. Well, we've left the falls there and decided to head back on the upper track, which I wouldn't recommend doing. It's steep, rocky, and just horrible compared to the first track we did. But there is one advantage, and that is this little lookout, which is incredible. A stunning lookout. I mean, you can see for miles. But we've had a little breather. We're getting out of here, getting back to the car. And this is what I mean when it's very rocky and very steep.
Oh. Whose idea was this?
It was definitely your idea. But anyway, we get to see something different coming this way, but I don't recommend doing it. We've made it back. We're back at camp, and it's been a good day, really good day. Done a couple of walks, done a couple of waterfalls, and yeah, so far really good park, Litchfield. But we're going to end this one here simply because we want to try and get some more footage up for get in front with the footage with that lockdown that happened. So I guess we'll end this one here. Thanks for watching. I guess there'll be a couple of parts to this Litchfield National Park, so cheers. I guess we'll see you on the next one.